GarageBand for Mac's straightforward and intuitive layout makes it easier to get to grips with than most other digital audio workstations. GarageBand actually has another feature that you might not be aware of that can streamline your music making workflow even more. Here's how it works. Using the keys of your typing keyboard, you can control almost every aspect of GarageBand's interface without laying a finger on your mouse or trackpad. Getting to grips with the keyboard shortcuts hidden in GarageBand will help speed up your workflow no end. Memorising the whole lot in one sitting is maybe a bit of a tall order. There are over 70 of them in total. So here's a selection of the ones I find most useful and the ones I use the most to get you started. Alright, some basic keyboard shortcuts you'll want to master first are the spacebar. It starts and stops playback. The return key goes to the beginning of the project. The S key solos the currently selected track. The M key mutes the currently selected track. Pressing the Command and Z or Z key together undoes the last change that you made to your project. Pressing the Command and the T key splits the selected region at the playhead's current position. Pressing the Command and C keys together copies a selected region or regions. And pressing the Command and V keys together pastes your copied regions at the playhead's current position. The B key opens the Smart Controls for your currently selected track. The E key opens the editor window for your currently selected track. The O key opens or hides GarageBand's loop browser. And pressing the Command and S keys together will save your current project. That should be enough to get you started. If you want to dive deeper, I'll put a link to where you can find every single GarageBand keyboard shortcut below this video. And if you could give that like button a good hard slap while you're down there, I'd really appreciate it. And for more info on getting set up and going with GarageBand for Mac, watch this next.